Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a chat to require a verified email in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the contacts. From here we just go into channels, then tap on the channel, then on the channel icon, and then in the top right corner tap on the pencil, then on more, and here if you scroll down at the bottom we find the required verified email. If you tap on this, then the channel is going to require the people that want to join or are part of the channel to have an email address that has been verified by the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.